Hi guys, what's up? My name is Ali and welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding with A. So today I'm going to implement a Google login in React Native app using Firebase. So let's don't waste time, let's straight jump into the code. Let me share my screen first. Yeah. So I already created a basic React Native app using npx React Native init command. Let's open the code in VS Code. Yeah, now our app is open in Visual Studio Code. That's it. Yeah. So this is the basic React Native template. So we need to clean up some code. App.js slash we are using JavaScript, no TypeScript at the moment. Let's clean some code, man. Go down, clean it. Yeah, clean this function. Yeah. So clean the use section. Yeah. Yeah. Let's create a view inside the safe area view. Let's create a touchable opacity. Let's create a simple button. Yeah, inside button, inside text, sign in with Google. That's it. So import this one. Yeah, done. So after that, the we have to go to the react-native firebase documentation. Let's search on Google Chrome react-native firebase. Yeah. So the first step will be integrating Firebase in our project is to install react-native Firebase app package. Go to the terminal. Yeah. So hit the command, enter, hit the command, yeah. So it will install React Native Firebase app in our React Native project. So after that, the app installed now. So what's the next step? Go down first, scroll down. So we need to set up Android app. So go to the Firebase console, create new app, add a project, name it React Social app login. Name it any. It's not an issue. Name it any. We're just practicing it. Create a project. So it will take few seconds or minutes to create a new project on Firebase. So as project is creating, let's go under documentation. So we need to follow documentation made. So it's necessary to follow all the steps for Android setups, and after that we go to the iOS build. So first we have to do with the Android build. It takes some time. Yeah. So our project is created now. So we are doing Android build. So we have to create an Android app inside our Firebase. So we need to know our Android package name. So for Android package name, we have to go inside the Android folder, inside app, inside source, inside main, inside Java, inside main activity. This is our package name inside main activity file. Copy and paste the package name here. After that, we need signing certificates. For signing certificates, go into the documentation. Yeah, and run this command. Because for Google login, for deep links and for phone authentication, we need a SHA-1 and SHA for 256 certificates, signing certificates for debugging, yeah, for using these type of functions in our activity app. Go there, copy and paste this command. Yeah, it will take few seconds or minutes based on the machine. So it will give us a signing certificates for our activity app for our Firebase. Yeah. So let's wait a few seconds. Yeah, done. So we need which one we need? Let's go into documentation. We need a debug Android test certificate for debug mode. So let's go for the Android debug key, debug Android test. Yeah. So we need this one, mate. We need this one, SHA1 signing certificate. Copy this one and go to the Firebase and paste here. Register your app. Click on register app. Done. So we need to download this Google services.json file, but we download it later after authentication, after adding a provider, Google provider in our app. We will click next, continue to console. Yeah, our app is now created. Then go to build, go to authentication. Yeah, so get started. Yeah, click on Google login, enable it, add the email. Yeah, we are using this account, save it. Yeah, it will take few seconds to save this information. Yeah, so download it. Download from here, Google service.json file. Click done. Yeah, so our file is downloaded now. Go to our directory. Yeah, this one. Click on this one. Go to our app. Yeah, so scroll this. Go to inside our app. Yeah, so scroll. Yeah, let's click on it. Let's copy and drag it. Yeah, let's copy and drag it inside app folder. Yeah, so inside app we got a Google service.json file. Let's close the finder. Yeah. So after that, now we have a Google service.json file now. So let's go back. Yeah, and go into the react-native-firebase documentation, go into the authentication section, go into the usage. We have to install this package made for auth, react-native-firebase auth. Copy and paste this, hit enter. It will install the react-native-firebase auth package. You're done. Clear the terminal. After that, scroll down. Yeah, scroll down. So this part is done now. So let's go back into the get started command. We need to set up a react-native Firebase inside our Android credentials. So copy this one, copy this line, go to Android build.gradle file inside Android build.gradle file and inside dependencies. We have to paste this inside dependencies. Paste here. Yeah, done. So this one, copy this one and go to Android app build.gradle file inside app folder. Build.gradle file. Yeah, paste here. Apply plugin this one here. Yeah, done. So if let's check if any step is missing. Yeah, we're done with all the steps now. So let's go into the social auth tab. Let's click on Google provider. So for Google provider, for Google sign-in with Fiverr, we need to install this library, React Native Google sign-in, Google sign-in. So copy this line and go to the or terminal. Beyond let's start around add sign Google sign-in, Google sign-in. It will install the library inside our project. Clear the terminal. Done. So we have to configure the Google sign-in. Let's copy the code and paste inside our app.js file. And yeah, we need a web client ID. For web client ID, we have to go to the Android folder, app folder, Google service.json file. And if you see there is a client type 3, you have to copy this ID for your web client ID. Copy this one, go to the app.js file and paste here in web client ID. Control S, click Control S. Then after that, go further down and you already have this line, copy this line, react-native-firebase auth and import this one straight, boom. And after that, copy that function for Google sign-in with React Native and then paste inside the app. Done. So Python function, use try catch for error handling. Let's try catch for error handling. Yeah, console.log error. Done. So after that, copy these lines and paste inside the drive. Yeah, after that, console.log. If user sign successfully, then write user sign in successfully. That's done. Done. Yeah, remove that code. Yeah, that's it. So on touchable vesting, we have to call this function, which was the name of function on Google button press. We call this function on this one. We're done. That's done, mate. That's done. That's simple. Now, build Android. Yeah, on Android. But running on Android command. Build Android folder. I think we have to go to the Google Sign library. I think I missed one simple step. Go to the React-Native Google Sign-in documentation, official documentation. Click on setting up. Click on Android setup. After that, we need to copy this line and go to Android build. Let's this one here, build on Android, build on create file and paste here. Yeah. Now we have to run this yarn Android command again. Yeah, it takes few seconds to run this dependency. Let me check. Yeah, that is it's failed because due to the Android server Google services stored JSON file. It failed because Google services stored JSON file is missing. We have to put this inside Android app. Google services stored JSON file. Oh, we write a wrong name. We have to rename it, mate. We have to rename it. That's why it's not finding our file. That's why it's sending us an error. Let's build it again. So for that mistake. It takes few seconds. Yeah, I don't think it takes too much time. Let's wait. Just doing. Just follow the documentation. We just follow the documentation. It's so simple. Yeah. First of all, you need to install this package, yeah, Firebase app. Then you have to Android setup on Firebase, create an Firebase project and add an Android app. After that, the sign-in certificate, create a sign-in certificate by running this command and copy and paste the sign-in certificate in Firebase console. After that, you have to create an authentication folder, authentication get started. And after that, create a Google provider, and after adding Google provider, just download the Google services store JSON file and put it inside Android app folder. That's it. That's simple. Yeah, that's simple. Yeah, two easy steps, man. Yeah, and for configuration, just do these steps. Just follow the path and copy paste these lines. That's it. Yeah, done. Our app is now done. So let's run it. Just click on sign in with Google. Ooh, it's open the pop-up. It's open the pop-up. It's open the pop-up. Click on it. Done. Let's check the terminal. You see, user sign in successfully. Prep. Yeah, done. So let's check on go under authentication. Click on user. You see, it's just gmail.com. Yeah, it's done, mate. It's done. So Google sign in with Android part is done now. So we need to go with iOS part now. Yeah. Let's check. Let's check. Let's go on iOS. Yeah, for iOS, well, most of the steps are same. So let's delete an account because we need to sign in again. So for go on project settings, add an app, add a new app, click on iOS. We need a app bundle ID. For bundle ID, we have to open Xcode. For bundle ID, let's open Xcode. First of all, let's go on Finder, desktop. Let's go on project. Inside iOS, open the XC workspace file inside Xcode. It will open inside the Xcode. Let's click on file. It's automatic open in Xcode. Yeah. So it takes some few seconds to open the Xcode. So Android part is done now. So let's quit the Android emulator at the moment because we don't need it. Yeah, we don't need Android emulator at the moment. So let's quit it and done. So on the code, yeah, it's loading now. It's loading. It takes few seconds to load. Yeah, it's a general. Yeah, this is our bundle identifier. This is our bundle identifier. Let's go write it. org.react.js.native.example. Let's write it. org.react.js.native.example. dot react-native auth app. We can also copy it, but star R and auth app. Yeah, R and auth app. Yeah, that's right in here. That's simple. Register an app. Register, we are registering an app. Yeah, so it takes 2 seconds to register an app. So we need to download this Google Services stored list file. Let's download it now. Yeah, click next. Click next. Click next. We don't need to follow these steps. Yeah, done. So go and find the Google Services list file. So where we have to put this file? We have to put this file inside the export. Go on the target. Click on the target. Uh, Click on this one, add file, go directly to auth app, the hide options, go to desktop, downloads, inside downloads, we have this file, where is the file, Google Services, the Google Services stored in full list, yeah, this is a file, add it, yeah, so our file is added now, so let's go for it and let's follow the other steps. Yeah, this one is done. This step is done now. So now we have to copy this line of code and go there inside the iOS project name app.appdelegate.mm file. Let's search this file. Go to the iOS Reactivity app delegate.nm file, paste here below the appdelegate.h file. Yeah, after that, copy this line of copy this piece of code and paste inside the did finishing launching with options. Yeah, the function is here. So uh, let's paste here and save it. Yeah, after that, we have to do some stuff with cocoa powers, pronunciation issue. Yeah, so go into the port file, go inside the portal, inside the target. Let's put here use on fetching. So after that, so with the following, yeah, after that, yeah, copy this line of code, piece of code, so and paste here. So basically, React Native, you see here, in the documentation, React Native Firebase uses use framework, which has a compatibility issue with Flipper. So we have to disable the Flipper configuration in our code file. So let's go further down and comment this piece of code. Comment this piece of code is very important for iOS build. So let's go into the iOS folder and let's run code install. I think I missed some steps, but that's okay, man. I don't think so. It will create any issue. That's done. That's done. Auto linking is done now. So that's done, man. Yeah, just copy this command and then check here in social auth. Is there any issue? Is there anything we have to change in iOS spot? Yeah, that's just done. Google sign issue for that's done. Let's jump into the Google sign preference. Let's check here. If any issue, road setup is done or check iOS setup or install iOS code configuration. We have to add this. Yeah, we missed this step, man. We missed this step. We need to add a reverse ID in URL scheme. Go to the Xcode. Go to the Xcode. Inside info, I think inside URL scheme. Inside URL scheme, add the new URL scheme. The URL scheme will be reverse ID URL scheme. Go to the I think go to the node minimum file. Yeah, reverse ID, copy the reverse ID. This is our reverse ID, copy this reverse ID. Let's go back. Let's click on it, info, and URL scheme, paste here. Yeah, that's done, man. That's done. So we don't need to adhere to do anything else here. Yeah, we copy this line, the reverse ID here. That's it. Yeah, so let's pod install again. Let's run pod install again. Pod update. We have to need to pod update, but pod install will also work here. Yeah, it's done. Here, done. Done. Let's check in info place file the system. Yeah, it's added me. It's added in Google info dot place file. Yeah. So after that, run yarn iOS command so to build the iOS project again. Yeah, man, it's running. Yeah, it takes few seconds, few minutes to paste on device. So it takes few seconds maybe to run on iOS. But let's wait and watch. Yeah, or I think there is something we need to change here. iOS client, we need to add iOS client ID here. iOS client ID option here. iOS client ID for iOS client ID. Let's go back inside our Google services list file. Yeah, so inside export we have this file. Yeah, so where's the file client ID? This is our client ID. Let's copy this ID and paste inside our code. Done me. That's done me. That's simple. That's simple steps for integrating Google Sign Up in React Native app using Firebase. Yeah, if you don't integrate Firebase, just so the basic thing is just get Google credentials from just get ID token from Google Sign in and send that token to the backend server, and then backend server will do all the other steps at their own, handle all the steps at their own. Yeah, so that's it. May it's taking a few seconds and time. Prepare, 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 prepare. Coding is fun, yeah. Yeah. Taking some time here. We have to wait for this build. Prepare, prepare. Yeah, it's near, it's very near. You can skip this. You can skip this part in the video. Move forward just. It's very near me, it's very near. It's doing, yeah. It's now installing our built-in iOS simulator. Now done. Now successfully build the app. Now done it. So let's open a simulator. It will launch the app here inside the simulator. Yeah, this is our app. Boom, it's open. It's open. It's open now. Yeah, let's wait some minutes here. So let's click on it. Google sign with Google. Yeah, continue. Click continue. It will open the account of google.com. Enter your email. Let's write this email. Yeah, let's try with this email. Let's try with the other email. Yeah, let's try with this email. My own email. Click continue. Yeah, so let's click. Yeah, let's enter the password. Now for this website. Done, man. It's done. It's done. Let's check the console. You saw it? User sign in successfully on iOS. Yeah, let's go. Let's go and check. Let's go and check in authentication, man. Yeah, you see, our user is added now. Our new user is added now from iOS. Yeah, 25 January 2024. That's it, man. That's it. That's for today's video. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and and watch more videos like this on this channel. More content is coming, so you have to follow this channel, mate. So that's it for today. Let's see you in the next video. Take care, keep coding, keep sharing, and keep watching my videos. That's it, mate. Bye, bye, bye. Ta ta. Take care.